Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to become a contractor. Now, there are various type of contractors that exist depending on what state that you live in. And various states will have different requirements or maybe different levels of the type of contractors. Your basic contractors are a general contractor. You could have a plumbing contractor, electrical contractor, or any various type of subs. HVAC is one. Now, for general building contractors, some states will have different levels of contractor licenses that you can get. So some of those states may have a home improvement type of contractor license, which allows you to do work up to a certain dollar value, or they will have a full general contractor. And depending on the type of contractor that you are trying to become will depend on the requirements. To become a contractor, you have to become licensed. So for states that have home improvement contractors, it typically will have a fee that you have to pay for the license. You have to provide references of work that you have done or completed, at least on a small scale basis. And there may be a knowledge test that is required, or it may be just that they can go by the references and also do a background check on you to make sure that you don't have any outstanding legal issues that you have been involved in previously. For the full general contractor license, it requires a test be passed or examination be passed that tests you on all the knowledge, basic knowledge that is required from a general contractor. And there are various programs that you can go to. You can look these up. Typically your state website will have information about the requirements to become a contractor, and it will also usually provide you links on where you can go to get additional information as far as the examination required. And there are several services that you can pay to help you prepare. That'll give you some class time and then also sample exams so that you can fully prepare yourself before you go through the expense of actually taking a state license exam. Well, once you have completed the licensing requirements, whether it's just references or exams, then you can go to your state website and they will have an application process that you go through. So you will fill out the application, submit your fees for licensing, and send that to your state board of contractors, and then they will evaluate that and get back to you. So again, typically there is either some references that you have to provide. You have to provide information so they can do a background check on you, and then also you have to fill out the application and provide the necessary fees for licensure. And accomplishing all that, you can meet the requirements to become a licensed contractor in your state. So I'm Tim Gibson with some information about how to become a contractor.